Stop posting boring product photos. Here's how to turn this into a high-end social media ad using Gemini in Photoshop. First, head to Gemini. Upload your raw shot and drop your background prompt. It's that easy. Gemini analyzes your product and builds a professional environment around it. Pick your favorite and hit download. Now for the polish. Let's fix that framing in Photoshop. Grab the Generative Fill tool to seamlessly expand your canvas. No more awkward cropping. Hit Shift plus Control plus A for Camera Raw. Crank that contrast and texture to give it that premium, high contrast vibe. Finish it off with your copy in a bold font. And you're done. Professional designs in literally minutes. Like and follow for more AI design hacks.